Hello everybody, I got here is a Samsung monitor. This is a 23-inch one or 24. Anyway, this one has a VSOUT 100 by 100 mm. So if you want to mount it, you need to remove the leg. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the leg. Okay, this video is not about mounting but about the leg, to remove the leg. Alright, so you can either if you can pull it without removing this, it's up to you, but I find it easy to take the feet out by removing this first and pull this out. Much easier for me. I don't know if you can pull it with this thing on, but I like it's easy anyway. It takes you less than a minute to do it, so might as well take that out. Now if you don't want to mount it anymore and you want to put it back, see this triangle over here? It goes in the bottom, so to push it in, and you can tilt it back and forth. Okay, so remove, put back, triangle facing the monitor side. Now we can put this one back. If you're gonna put it back, there's two things that's sticking out of here. There's two holes in the bottom here. Again, on the monitor's the screen side, so you just put it like this. This thing will go into the hole here and tighten it back, and you're done. Again, if you want to mount it, that's how you remove it. And this is a 100 by 100 M VESA pattern. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this helped you guys, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.